have the honor of being selected as delegate from Niger for the African Youth Climate Assembly. I'm founder and executive director of the Center of Education and Research on Health and Climate Change, CERSCC-MAGARIA. Global warming is leading disruption in all ecosystems including the emergence and re-emergence of sensitive diseases. According to IPCC, 20,000 to 30,000 deaths among children under 15 are expected for a warming of 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius in the Sahel region. Health professionals need to be involved in understanding these mechanics between health and climate change. To meet this need, we created the Center Magaria with the mission of promoting understanding and action in favor of health and climate in Sahel region through training, mentoring, scientific research, expertise and consulting, leadership and advocacy. With the launch of our social component RCC Niger, we will extend this movement of health professionals for climate to the Sahel region, and this assembly will be the ideal platform as it will bring together the cream of young leaders from over 30 African nations. Our action plan includes scientific research, cafe science, awareness raising campaign for adapting the healthcare sector. This summit is exactly what we need to rally partners around ambitious projects and also to prepare COP28, be the health COP. And my last message for young Africans, whatever your field, spread your wings and create innovative climate solutions for a resilient planet.